more people! Are you a Nasi Lemak lover? Today, we are going to try famous Nasi Lemak Burung Hantu. It got 5 branches and we choose this branch that located at Petaling Jaya. SEDAP or not? Let's find out! Wow! The environment is bright and clean. It's pretty big with a lot of seating, so you won't have to worry about finding a spot. You can choose to sit either indoor or outdoor, totally up to you. Even though there are no aircon, but it's not hot at all. The ordering is easy too. Just hop in line, place order, and the staff will get it ready for you. Once it's done, just go to the counter to pay. The best part is we can watch the worker make the food through the glass. It's super transparent. Fuyo, look at the rempah chicken and the seafood. Looks so yummy. We order their classic nasi lemak prasmani and add on a plate of ayam pandan. For drink, we got a Milo ice and 2 teh ice. Wow, you see? Ayam berempah is tender and juicy. But the disadvantage is spice flavor isn't as rich as we expected. I think it could be more stronger. The nasi lemak rice is fragrant with nice coconut aroma. It's fluffy. We don't recommend ayam pandan. The taste is a bit bland in flavor, nothing special. Oopsie! The sambal tastes sweet at first, but then the spiciness kick in. If you are not a spicy lover, this might not be your favorite. We think the drinks are a bit pricey, but nasi lemak price is quite reasonable as the portion is good and it comes with 7 ingredients include spinach. If you are not in mood for nasi lemak, no worry. We spotted other food store here so you can have other options to choose from. Overall, we will rate it a 6.5 out of 10. We wouldn't say it is a must visit, but if you are a nasi lemak lover, it's worth checking out.